No, take video.
Oh.
Okay, so today I'm with Hannah
Hello.
and Abby.
Children of the world.
And loading the other video. Because I felt like it.
Because she felt like it. Chicken. You like fried chicken? You made your cat make a squeaky sound.
That was horrible. I just like choked on pudding.
Haha.
Oh my god, did you get my water last night?
Okay, so I'm having waffles. Cinnamon waffles for lunch.
What time it is?
We have till 12:30 to get back to school.
Love you too, man.
Hi, Tiger. My little baby girl. Oh, my battery's gonna die.
Can't feed her, Sarah. You're not supposed to feed this.
Don't feed the bears.
Oh, you. The monkeys. Or the elephants or the.
My battery's gonna die, man. My battery's gonna die. It's not even cool.
You know, I guess we just have to wrap this up really quick.
Fine! Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, we're doing Patrick. Booyah, peace.
I'm
So we might not have one for tomorrow.
I'm not.
Yeah, you're not. No, you are.
I'm not.
You're not doing the run?
No.
You're not doing the running this?
I said I couldn't.
Okay, so,
Why?
I have to wrap this up. So I have to say bye. So we all have to say bye now, okay? Okay?
Peace!
Peace!
Penis!
Peace!
Penis!